In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit download speed in Google Chrome. This is a handy way to simulate slower networks for testing or to keep Chrome from using all your bandwidth while you're doing other things. We'll use Chrome's built-in developer tools, so there's nothing extra to install. Start by opening Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, move your cursor to More Tools and then click Developer Tools. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also open this panel with a quick key combo on your system, but the menu path works the same on every setup. Once the Developer Tools panel appears, find and select the Network tab along the top row of tabs in the panel. This is where Chrome shows requests and also where we can control network conditions. Now look for the small gear icon, usually in the top right corner of the Developer Tools window. Click that to open the settings for Developer Tools. In the settings sidebar, choose throttling. This section is dedicated to creating and managing custom network speed profiles. Click Add Profile to create your own speed limit. You'll see fields for a profile name, download speed, upload speed, and latency. Give the profile a clear name so you can recognize it later, for example, something like slow download. For the speeds, enter the limits you want Chrome to enforce. These values are typically in kilobits per second or megabits per second, depending on the interface, and they control how fast Chrome can download and upload while the profile is active. Latency is the delay before data starts moving, measured in milliseconds, and it helps you mimic real-world conditions like a mobile connection or a busy network. For example, a higher latency combined with a low download speed will feel like a congested connection. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Add to save the profile. That's it. Your custom profile is now stored in Chrome's throttling presets. From now on, you'll see it available in the network panel's throttling options whenever Developer Tools is open. Remember, throttling only applies while Developer Tools is open, and it only affects the active browsing context, which is perfect for testing without changing your system-wide internet speeds. If you ever want to adjust or remove the profile, come back to the same throttling settings and edit it there. You've just set up a custom speed limit in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother testing and more controlled download.